In this video, I'll guide you through how to re-engage inactive contacts in HubSpot. If you've noticed that some of your contacts haven't interacted with your marketing emails recently, don't worry. This simple process will help you re-engage them effectively and efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the Contacts section. Once there, head over to Lists and select Create List. Creating a list is crucial because it allows you to segment your contacts based on specific criteria. This segmentation is the first step toward targeting those who have become inactive. When you create your list, make sure to choose a contact-based list type and opt for an active list. An active list automatically updates whenever a contact meets the specified criteria, ensuring that you're always working with the most current data. Next, you'll need to set up your filter criteria. This is where you'll specify which contacts have become inactive. Go to the filter settings and select marketing emails, then choose email open date. For our purpose, you would specify that the contacts have not opened any email in the last 90 days. This time frame can be adjusted based on your business needs, but 90 days is a common benchmark to identify those who might be losing interest. Once your list is set up, it's time to plan a re-engagement email campaign. The goal here is to win back the attention of these contacts, so your strategy needs to be thoughtful and engaging. A good starting point is email 1, which we'll refer to as the check-in. For email 1, craft a simple yet effective subject line. Something like "Still with us" is enough to pique curiosity without overwhelming the recipient. The body of the email should be direct and friendly, asking them if they're still interested in hearing from you. This approach not only shows that you value their engagement, but also gives them a clear bet to re-engage. Remember, the tone of your email should be conversational and inviting. Avoid sounding desperate or pushy. Instead, focus on the benefits they've enjoyed in the past by being on your list and remind them of the value you continue to offer. It might also be helpful to include a call to action, encouraging them to update their preferences or explore any new offerings you have. Also consider the timing of your email. Sending it at a time when your audience is most likely to check their inbox can improve open rates. Analyze your past email campaigns to determine the best time for sending this re-engagement email. After sending the check-in email, monitor the responses and interactions. HubSpot provides useful analytics to see how many of your inactive contacts have opened the email or clicked on any links. This data will help you assess the effectiveness of your re-engagement strategy and make necessary adjustments for future campaigns. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively re-engage those inactive contacts and hopefully bring them back into the fold. Remember, maintaining an active and engaged contact list is key to a successful marketing strategy. Thanks for watching and good luck with your re-engagement efforts in HubSpot.